ready to come out? Come on. Are you flirting already this morning? Are you flirting? Come on. Let's start your day, Rico. Come on. You coming? You have to change your food, your water, your paper, clean out your cage. Come on. Let's go. You coming? Come on, Rico. Let's get your stuff ready. Come on. You gonna go poopy? Come on. No. Okay. Come when you're ready. I'll be here. Come on. Let's go. You're not ready to come out yet? Are you sleepy? Why are you giving me those eyes? Come on. So I'm not used to being bothered so early in the morning. Okay, I'll go get your stuff ready. Come on. Hi, there you are. You ready to come? You gonna do poopy? Oh, you did it. Good boy. Good boy, Rico. Ready to come out? Come on. Good boy. Say good morning, everybody. I know. Come. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna go on your little swing. Oops. There you go. There. We're gonna get all your stuff ready, okay? And get your water, your food. Okay? You flirting? What you doing? Okay. Let's show everybody how we start your day, okay? You gotta clean out your paper. Every morning we do this. Clean paper in. Okay. Oh, are you over there ready to play peekaboo? What are you doing over there? Are you ready to play peekaboo? What are you doing? You gonna play peekaboo? Do you wanna play peekaboo? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Peekaboo! You gonna go hide? Okay, go hide. Go hide. Let's play peekaboo. You have to go hide. No? Okay, so let me finish getting your stuff ready and you play, okay? And put in your fresh water bowls. So we do every morning, wash them out. You gonna come have some? In the cage. And then we do his food bowls. What are you doing? What are you looking for? What are you doing? I gotta get your food ready. What you doing? Hi. Who do you want to kiss? He always kisses Chico. Do you want to come give him a kiss? Do you want to give him a kiss? No? What you doing? You're so silly. You're so silly. You're so silly. Come on, let's get your food ready. Come here. Come here. We're gonna get his pellets that we keep in the fridge. And ready. We use Tops and Harrisons. And then I also give him some, just a little bit of seeds, like a teaspoon throughout the day. And give him like a little bit of Tops. A little bit of Harrison. Mix it up. Spread them all over the place, and then we get him some peppers. Just a minute. There you go. Hi. I know what's that. Put some in here. What's that? Is it good? Yummy, yummy. Okay, I'll leave them here. You gotta spread them all over the place after. Okay, let me get your pepper. What are you doing? You're so silly. Go eat your food. Come on. Pepper. Okay? Get your pepper ready. Come on, let's go. What are you doing over there? Come in. Come on. There you go. Come. Come. Let's go have your pepper. Come on. Come here. Step up. So, you don't want to come? You want to play? I'm going to go have it. Come on. Step up. No? Okay, I'll put it over there. Come on. You good? It's yummy, yummy. You got my pepper. So he doesn't like chops, so what I'll do is, I know, I interrupted you, sorry. Sometimes I'll give him, like usually in the mornings, I'll give him one vegetable, then a little bit later on, I'll give him like a broccoli, rapini. I try to mix it up throughout the day. I know. That way he gets all his vitamins, right? Okay, go enjoy. I didn't mean to interrupt you. Sorry. I know. What did I do? Huh? Did I interrupt you with your eating? Okay, that's my morning routine. That's my morning routine. You're silly. Okay, bye everybody.